Welcome to iMobie support channel. In this video, we will show you how to remove or customize your camera background in FocuSee, so your video looks cleaner, more professional, and stays focused on you. Let's dive in. Step 1. Download and install FocuSee on computer. Step 2. Record your video. Launch FocuSee on your computer, select your preferred recording mode, and then choose a camera. Once selected, FocuSee will start recording a video automatically. Step 3. Choose the camera option. After the video recording is completed, please choose the camera option in the left navigation. Step 4. Configure the Remove Background settings. The Remove Background option allows you to keep the original camera background, remove, blur, and customize the camera background, giving you full control over the camera background. Please configure the Remove Background settings based on your needs. Step 5. Removing the camera background completed. We take removing the camera background for an example. After clicking Remove option, it will take some seconds to remove the camera background. Once the process is completed, you can see the effect. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest contents.